guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be unboxing and providing my honest reviews on Boxycharm's base beauty box for the month of January. For those who are new to Boxycharm, they provide a monthly subscription of makeup products and skincare from some of your favorite brands. You get 5 full-size beauty products starting at $25 a month, or you can opt to upgrade to their other subscriptions. First, some housekeeping. If you like this video, please hit the like button down below. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. Without further ado, let's get right to it. So this is Boxycharm's beauty base box for the month of January. What I like so much about Boxycharm is they come in this black box that is so compact, and when you open it, it says Hello Charmer, and on the lid it says Boxycharm. So it's a really cute box. So for the month of January, I'm gonna look for their insert, and they have 5 full-size beauty products that you can get on a monthly basis. For the month of January in my beauty base box, they have provided me Ciate London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette. So this is the first time I am unboxing this, and so we're going to open it together, and I will be putting some of this on, and hopefully you will provide me with some comments and feedback on how they look. So this is the Ciate Velvet Eyeshadow Palette. I love the packaging. I love the color. Love these colors. They all look very neutral, and it looks like it would definitely blend with my Asian skin tone. They do look like they are more like a sunset, island neutral colors, which I definitely love. So let's just try it out and see how it looks. I think I'm going to go for a nice light pink. So I'm going to go and use this color right here. And I have my makeup mirror. Love this. It's very sheer, very soft, very matte for sure. Let's see, I think I'm going to try another color and see. I'm going to go for a brown color this time, so I'm going to go for this shade right here. And I do have hooded eyes, being Asian, born with hooded eyes, but I do have a little bit of eyelid, which is kind of nice. So I'm going to apply this on my eyelid crease. And I do have a little bit of makeup on right now, but I can definitely put some more and see how this looks on my crease. And I really do like this a lot because it definitely, you can definitely see the color. It's not too light, and it definitely shows off pretty well. So it's definitely a thumbs up for me. The second item in my beauty base box is the Farmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. And it is this box right here. Let's just open it up and take a look. See, this is what I like so much about Boxycharm, is that you definitely do get full-size products, and this definitely is going to last me for quite a while. I don't use very many toners, but since this one does work on the pores, I will definitely give this a try. I'm not going to use it right now, but I will definitely use it later tonight. According to Boxycharm, let's just take a look at what they say. It's alcohol-free, 2% BHA toner that gently exfoliates, deep cleans the pores, and controls oil. And being Asian, I have such really oily skin. It has kind of gone down on oiliness as I age, but it definitely will help with the oil. This is also good for combination and oily skin or acne prone skin. So definitely set them up. The third item in my Boxycharm Beauty Base box is the Laura Geller High Def Glow Illuminating Dual in Heart of Gold. And it is this product right here. I love the size of this compact case. And so let's just check it out and see how we like it. This is such a beautiful shade. It has a bunch of gold and neutral tones right into it. Will complement any skin tone. So what do you guys think? The fourth item in my Boxycharm Beauty Base box is the Dr. Brandt Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. So Boxycharm does provide, like I said, both makeup products and skincare, and they do have such great quality items. Dr. Brandt is a pretty popular brand from what I understand. I do have quite a few of their skincare products, and it definitely has become one of my favorites. So this is the Dr. Brandt Do Not Age Triple Peptide Eye Cream. And according to Boxycharm, it says it's deeply hydrating, peptide-powered cream that helps diminish signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness. So I'm going to open it and let's just see what the texture is like. Look, it comes in like a tube-like. So it's for easy application. It's very nice, very light. At first, when it came out of the tube, it felt like it was going to be a little bit more thicker and hard, but it actually is very nice and soft. I'm not sure if I really care for the smell of this. It has a very chemically, very powdery smell. So I'm not too sure about that. But I'm pretty sure it works because Dr. Brandt has some awesome skincare products for sure. The fifth item and the last final item on my Boxycharm's Beauty Base box is the Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. I love lip balms. I love everything lips, lipstick, lip products, anything lips. So it is this item here. Let's just open it and take a look. Here you go. It is this item in a full size. I'm very excited to try this because I love the combination of sweet orange and coconut. And imagine having that on your lips. It's gonna pretty much, I'm sure, taste good and feel good. So I'm gonna just put a little bit on my hand first and see what the texture is like. Ooh, it definitely smells delicious. And it's very velvety. The feeling, the texture is very velvety, it's very light. I'm gonna go ahead and try this now on my lips and see how it feels. It also tastes delicious. It's definitely going to be one of my favorites for sure. So there you have it. Those are 5 of my full-size beauty products from Boxycharm. All great selections and choices for the month of January. I can tell you right now, I have 3 favorites I'll be using quite often. And it looks like I love the Bali Lip Balm, the Farmacy Pore Cleaning Toner, and the Ciate London Velvet Eyeshadow. Comment down below which ones you think you would like to use, or which ones are your favorites. Please support my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button down below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. See you in the next video. For those who are new to Boxycharm, they provide a month subscription to so this is Boxycharm's beauty base beauty box. So the first item in my Boxycharm beauty base box is the Ciate London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette. So it is this lovely product here. I already love the box, and I love the color of this box. I definitely love such rose-colored boxes.